Thank you, Bratz, for including a poster. Oh my, come on now. And it's double-sided? Oh, girl. What's going on, you guys? So today we have Coach Gaia Yasmin we're gonna check out, and we have Kirsty and Casey, the Tweevils. Oh my gosh, so I ordered both of these, but more so the Tweevils 2 days ago, and it just arrived. Absolutely in love with this packaging. Oh my gosh. Do you see the 3D print? So if you've ever been to Universal Studios, this gives me very much like the Cat in the Hat vibes, like literally how they have the whole area set up. On the box itself, it has the Bratz logo, a couple of their sayings, their names in the center. On the sides, you can find their sayings again. And then on the other side, I believe that's basically the same shot. Okay, so I will let you guys pause and read. Let's get up close so you can actually read it. They are so cute. Okay, so I love the fact that they look exactly how they should look. We're gonna open this and I'll be right back. So I have them out. Oh my gosh. Oh, why do they look so good, you guys? Okay, so they're on the movie star's body. They have a little bit of a waist articulation point. So this unboxing is actually for my pen pal, so I will not be taking them off of the plastic, but we are going to get up close in detail. Okay, the hair is flawless. Like, I got a really good set of twins. I like that the little bangs are a little gelled, but they still have some movement to them. The bun is done so perfectly. Like, I look at these dolls and I'm like, yeah, I don't see how anyone's recreating this. I'm sure somebody is good with doll hair and definitely can recreate it, but it's like a bun on top with a little swoop swirl in the back. So perfect and so cute. It just reminds me of ballet. These girls are so freaking accurate. I actually like this sister a little bit more. It's something about the band-aid on the nose. I live for the articulated body. Now the outfit, the actual dress itself. Yes, it looks like the cartoon. Yes, it looks like them. But I honestly would like to see it maybe satin texture, velvet texture, something. I mean, I know. I personally am a collector, so I want to see it elevated. And I know they kept it so plain and simple because that's who they are. They want to keep it true, but it's okay. Still stellar, stunning dolls. Love the shoe. Classic mode, they kept it the same. I love the skin tone for the dolls. I love the body. Please keep doing these type of stands without the waist. If you do the waist type stands, I love the GCDS one, but the Holiday Felicia and the Never Pride one, oh, absolutely. Please stop making those. I saved him some of the packaging. He did not ask for the packaging. He just said, can you shrink the dolls to save on shipping costs? But these are cute little cutouts that you can kind of like pose them in front of. So I figured, you know, if you want some, keep them. If he doesn't, he can throw them away. I kept the back of the box because it literally gives the office vibe. Like, you can glue these back on in place where you need. Love that. And it's so thin and lightweight. It's just cardboard. Also, I kept the actual, I said the back of the box. The back of the inside of the box is what that was. This is the actual back of the box with the writing and description and everything. So I kept that because that makes a cute little poster. And I cut out the front. I'm like, what do you want this? I don't know. I'm gonna ship it anyways because these are all extremely lightweight, but I don't know about this one. The others, I figured those are cute pieces from the box. Oh, and the strap, of course, had to keep the strap from the box. Like, come on now, she's cute. Okay, so inside the box basically is just the twins. You know how they're dressed and everything. There's no second outfit. There's no other accessories. They are wearing heart earrings. I don't know if we talked about that for a second, but yes. But outside of that, there's no accessories or anything. They both come with hot pink stars. So cute. I think the Sweet Dreams Felicia had this hot pink star, if I'm correct. Somebody let me know in the comments below, did Sweet Dreams Felicia come with a hot pink star or not? Thank you, Bratz, for including a poster. Oh my, come on now. Like, that's Sweetheart Megan. I'm sorry, this is a bad angle for the lighting, but come on now. Like, I love the posters. You guys, you can get a poster, like a picture frame. Oh, and it's double-sided. Oh, girl. And she's double-sided. Okay. You can get these posters for the frame. Posters for the frame. You can get the oh my gosh. You can get the frames for the posters on Amazon. I want to say these are 11 by 17, but it's nothing to get a ruler out and confirm that. One side you get the all pink on pink on pink, honey. Looking cute. And the other side is them literally how the box comes. Oh my gosh, I love this side so much more. I am fully obsessed. So this order was for my friend, which I am shipping out, but best believe soon as I turn this freaking camera off, I am ordering my own set. Like I have to have them. I was not the biggest fan of them, you know, growing up just from watching the TV series. Like I may have seen 1 or 2 Bratz movies, but the TV series I watched, and then the dolls, I had the dolls. I'm more of the Bratz franchise on the doll side of a love. So the Tweevils will have a space in my home. I'm gonna keep them in the box for a long time, but I can see them out and about, maybe try on another girl's outfit, maybe be in my beach scene, in the sleepover scene. Yeah, they will have to come out the box one day, but I love how the box comes. All in all, you guys, I give the Tweevils a 10 out of 10. The price point, I'm not mad at the price point. $50, I was gonna say $25. $25 each, $50 for the twins. Not mad at that. All right, you guys, if you have not already, I suggest you go out there and order you a set of the Tweevils. This video was a little longer than expected, so we're actually gonna unbox Cult Gaia Yasmin in another clip another day. Don't forget to like the video, comment below, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.